Hey, what's up, YouTube? Got a quick one for you here today. So, anybody who's got the 3.6 Pentastar or any Chrysler product, I imagine probably uses something similar. I had the fuel pump go out on my van, and first thing I did was check the power and relay, and all that stuff was good. Next thing I wanted to do was pull off the line from the fuel rail and see if anything was coming out when I cycled the key on. Well, these fuel connectors right there, the two-piece connector, and I'll show you over here how it's designed to work. So with these connectors, you got this safety lock right here. You just push this up, you push up the other side. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. There we go. Okay, see how it's clicked up? Then you're just supposed to push this in, and that spreads the little ears, and it comes off, right? Okay, well, since this one's in the engine bay, constantly getting hot and everything, as soon as I went to push this thing in, it snapped in two pieces. All right, so I needed to replace it, but I called the auto parts stores. They didn't have a parts number for that. Called the dealership. They told me they don't sell just those clips. You got to buy the whole fuel line, which clips in back underneath there. This is, I think they call it a jumper hose to go from the metal hard line up to the fuel rail. But anyways, the whole hose, $120, right? So I was at Napa, and the lady behind the counter, nice older lady, she's a general manager, been a general manager right for a long time. She says, I've seen those clips, but they're on the self-help aisle. We went over there, she didn't have any. Then she said, go to the next store, which would be Advance Auto for me. She says they all got the same stuff. So check this out. This is actually for GM and Ford, right? GM and Ford, but those white clips are the identical clips in these hoses, in all of these hoses. This pack comes with all of them. It's got the black ones for the fuel tank and underneath the vehicle. So I just wanted to share that with you. Dodge is going to tell you that those clips, they don't sell them. You got to buy the whole hose. No, you don't. Go to your local auto parts store. Look for this number, Dorman 800-0023. Says it's a Ford and GM part, but I'm here to tell you it works on Chrysler as well. So there you go.